Now let's start with the programming part. Now we will program our NodeMcu board, and I will tell you that how you can program your NodeMcu board and how you can add Thingspeak plugins in it. So let's begin. The first step is to download Thingspeak library and resources in your Arduino IDE. You have to download the Thingspeak library and it's all the resources, you have to add them. So we have to quickly add the library. So let's go to Arduino IDE. This is our Arduino IDE. Here you have to go to include libraries in the sketch. Now go to manage libraries. It will take few time to update all the libraries and then we will search for Thingspeak library. So let's log in into Thingspeak library, Thingspeak account. So I have already created account, so I will quickly just log in into it. And we have already told you in the previous lesson that how you can add a channel. So it's already made, our LED channel is already made, so we will use this only. Just click on this channel and let's see our Arduino ID is ready. So our Arduino ID is ready with the all the plugins. So let's search Thingspeak. This is the Thingspeak library. You have to download this library. I have already installed it, so just download this library for the programming part. After that, we have to go to our Thingspeak channel. In the Thingspeak channel, you have to go to the API keys. So yes, now I will tell you that what are write API key and what is read API key. Write API key is something that when you are taking data from your sensors, you are putting it on the Thingspeak data, Thingspeak channel. So we have to write something in the Thingspeak channel, so we will use write API key. If we want to send some data from Thingspeak channel to our Arduino or NodeMcu, then we will use read key. So write is something when you are taking the data and read is something when you are giving the data. These are write channel feeds and these are read channel feeds. When you want to change the feeds, you just go to this link and you have to change the field. So this is very important part of the Thingspeak. So we will use read because we will read the LED. So let's just paste this, and here I have already defined my library in the D3 pin. I have used my character SSID and password, and now we will add read API key from our channel. So we have added the read. Now we have to write my channel number. So channel number, you can see this is your channel ID. So we will just copy it and paste it. Yes, we have copied the channel ID, channel number. we have copied the read API key. So these two are the important aspects for programming for ThingsSpeak. A character SSID and password is done, and after that we will upload this code. Before uploading this code, I will tell you that how you can make your circuit and schematic.